Alright, baby. Running out of battery here, but here's the neighborhood. There is a pool next door. It's a little bit noisy outside, but once you're inside, you can't hear anything. This little big tree. Could probably set up a bench right here. Come in. This living room is bigger than what the pictures look like. There's a little closet area right here. Alarm system. Once again, this room is big. Look at that. Staircase there. And even this room is bigger than what the picture looks like. Fireplace, put a TV up there. Go back here, here's the garage. Off to the right, bathroom. There's the garage in here. There's a spotlight, you can't see anything else, but regular 2-car garage. It's okay. Come back out here. Dang, big room again. I just live in here. Kitchen's not too bad. Pantry. Turn back around here. There's the backyard. There's the pool. Put up a little bench underneath the shade right here. It's got nice shading out here. I like this house. Said it's a little bit noisy. It's nothing hardcore. You're going to be outside, you know. It's put up some more benches right here under the tree against the wall there. Beautiful pool, beautiful. Nice little patio area here. Come up the stairs here. Off to the right here is a couple bedrooms. Set something up here. It's a nice little view of the street and neighborhood out here. Very comfortable. This house has a very comfortable feel to it. There's another bedroom here. Nice little big purple tree like you like. Standard tall closets. Back out, there's a staircase again. Over here here's a loft. It's a loft area. Nice. Come back over here up to the right. Laundry room, big laundry room. It's nice. Go off to the right, there's a bathroom here. Shower and tub. There's the other room. Room number 3. Come back out here through the loft. Here's the master bedroom. It's got high ceilings in there. It's a nice size. Pool. Battery's about to die. Shower, tub, his and her sinks. Sexy man. Toilet. Closet. This house is beautiful, baby. Like it. Umbrella is a nice house too. I like that too. It's a beautiful home. One of my favorite parts is the living room and the fireplace area here. Nice and roomy. It's only $100 difference from Umbrella. I'd pay the $100 for this. And this is our house. Anyone who comes in will be shot.